Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
This question is also related to respiration, testing your knowledge on the role of coenzyme A. So first thing, when you see coenzyme A, you should know that it's involved in link reaction. So link reaction is a step 2 of your respiration, aerobic respiration, whereas the next step, step 3, will be the Krebs cycle. So you need to understand that coenzyme A is a link between step 2 and step 3. So we know that link reaction is where pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA. So when this acetyl-CoA wants to join the Krebs cycle, the question here is, how does the Krebs cycle know that this molecule is allowed to join the Krebs cycle, especially joining who? Who is the first molecule in the cycle itself? That's where we have oxaloacetate, the 4-carbon molecule. So here we're going to say that the CoA actually act as a carrier molecule. So they combine with the acetyl and they are meant to bring the acetyl to join into the Krebs cycle to combine with the oxaloacetate to form a 6-carbon molecule, citrate. So the marking point here will be, number 1, it's involved in link reaction, where the CoA is added to the acetyl, and then the purpose is so that acetyl can go into the Krebs cycle to combine with oxaloacetate. For this topic, not only you need to know the role of coenzyme A, you prepare yourself for the role of NAD and aerobic respiration as well. They can come out as an essay question for about 5 to 6 markers.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.